Products won't grow your child's hair. Don't go wasting your money buying tons of products to grow your child's hair. Follow these healthy hair tips to grow your child's hair, and also create a routine and be consistent with it. Yes, create a routine, be consistent with it, then you see hair growth. Please guys, don't waste your money. Hear me now as I hear the Lord. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, if you are new, welcome. Thanks for clicking on my video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing quick tip on how to grow your little one's hair. So let's get right into the video. So tip number 1, invest in a good satin sheet. Using a satin bed sheet, using a satin scarf, using a satin bonnet will help to reduce breakage from your daughter's hair or your little one's hair, and also it will help to keep his or her hair moisturized for a longer period. But the main point of using a satin material or a satin sheet is to reduce breakage. Tip number 2, keep your child's hair clean. Her scalp, make it healthy. Try to see if you can wash your child's hair once a week or every other week. Wash their hair. Use a good product. Don't take your child to the salon and then they will use all sorts of chemical, then later you'll be like, my daughter's hair is not growing, but this person's hair is growing, but my daughter's hair is not growing. It's from gene, it's from that. No, create a routine. Wash your daughter's hair, use a good shampoo, invest in a good shampoo, invest in a good conditioner, invest in a good leave-in conditioner. And I will not advise you using a raw shea butter or raw oil on your child's hair. It's not good. It will make your daughter's hair more dry. So washing your daughter's hair weekly or every other week is a good way to grow your daughter's hair. Tip number 3, detangle your child's hair. Detangle your child's hair with a lukewarm water and a rinse out conditioner. All you have to do is this: get your spray bottle, add your lukewarm water to your spray bottle, then you get your rinse out conditioner, mix it inside the warm water you get, then shake it so it will mix properly. Then when you are taking off his protective style or her protective style, or you want to detangle their hair, spray the mixture to your child's hair, then take it easy while taking off their protective style to avoid breakage. Then another game changer for you is using your fingers to detangle his or her hair. It will do the trick for you guys. Like, it will reduce breakage. Once you use your fingers to detangle your child's hair, then you can move in with your wild tooth comb. Then that's just it. Tip number 4, moisturizing your child's hair. Moisturizing your child's hair is very important when you're trying to grow out their hair. Please guys, your kids need moisture. Though you feed them inside, but outside they need that moisture, you get. So start by spraying some water, and then you move in with your sealant. Your sealant can be your leave-in conditioner or your hair grease. Then you seal in down moisture. Start by spraying water and then sealing in with a leave-in conditioner or your hair grease. Water is the main moisturizer for your child's hair. Tip number 5, protective style. It is good to put a protective style because it keeps your hand off their hair for a week or every other week. Yes, put your child's hair in a protective style. You can do a mini braid, you can do any style that you know that yes, your child's hair is comfortable with. You can do that style for your child's hair and then leave it for a week or every other week before you start washing their hair and then applying a deep conditioner and then moisturizing it back. Whenever you notice your child's hair is dry, please moisturize that hair. Start by spraying some water to his or her hair and then sealing in moisture with your leave-in conditioner. Please don't take down your child's hair when it's dry because it will break off easily. Yeah. Tip number 6: water. Water is very good for the body, so ensure your little one is taking enough water. Water is very, very, very good, and also you can support it by giving them supplements, buying fruits, make sure that they are healthy. Yeah, once your child is healthy, their hair will grow, so ensure that they are taking water and also their supplements. Products won't grow your child's hair. Don't go wasting your money buying tons of products to grow your child's hair. Follow these healthy hair tips to grow your child's hair, and also create a routine and be consistent with it. Yes, create a routine, be consistent with it, then you see hair growth. Please guys, don't waste your money. Hear me now as I hear the Lord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.